Hello friends, how are you doing today? Myself, I'm Sri, the architect, interior design, project management consultant. Today I would like to present some of the projects based in India in my channel so that if anybody is interested, definitely they can go ahead and take their own decision. This news is from actually constructionweekonline.com. They are saying that Ashiana Housing launches 110 unit phase 4 at Pune. Ashiana Malhar. Ashiana Housing has launched phase 4 of Ashiana Malhar in Pune, offering 110 homes priced at 83 lakhs from 83.26 lakhs. Goodbye. Why? Because in each and every phase of the project, definitely they will increase certain amount of price. If people are already located there, there will be lot of amenities and other facilities also will be available within the vicinity as well as within the locality. Definitely go see their project. If there is any possibility, just talk to them, know the pros and cons of the project, then try to invest. Listed Asiana Housing Limited, as you know, is listed on NSE and BSE, National Stock Exchange and Mumbai Stock Exchange. Has launched 4 at Ashiana Malhar in Pune. The phase comprises of 110 homes in 2 BHK and 3 BHK configuration, with prices ranging from 83 lakhs onwards for 2 BHK and 1.26 crores onwards for 3 BHK. Each buyer can avail registration benefits of up to 5 lakhs. So says tower specification. Tower specification is only tower in Ashiana Malhar offering a combination of mountain facing views, east and west vastu oriented homes. As you know, most of the people will be eager to take the flats which are facing towards east. That is like 100% sale. West means it depends on their requirement, say in terms of astrology and things like that. If they are looking, they will be able to get the flat. So this fourth phase is done on an acre of 2 acres of open green. The tower spans 14 floors with 8 units per acre. Director of Ashiana Housing Ltd said that the phase 4 reflected the country's continuous focus on creating premium homes in planned communities. He said that with its mountain views, vastu-oriented layouts, and upgraded specification, the tower offered a lifestyle proposition for home buyers in Pune, and that the response to earlier phase gave confidence that the limited inventory would resonate with customers. Phase 4 has been positioned as the most preferred tower within the township. He said that from its placement and uninterrupted green views to enhanced specification, each element has been designed to deliver superior everyday living, and that with only 110 homes available, the phase offered a rare opportunity for buyers to secure the best located residences within Ashiana Malhar. Project financials. Ashiana Malhar is a joint venture project with revenues shared with the development partner as per agreed terms. The total estimated project cost is approximately 750 to 800 crores, funded through internal accruals. Construction continues as planned across the township. Phase 1 has been delivered. Phase 2 is scheduled for November 2026, Phase 3 for Jan 2027. Phase 4 is targeted for completion in September 2029. The phase is and Phase 5 is to be announced. So the project has record sales momentum driven by home buyer response to the premium home concept in Pune. The launch of Clubhouse at Ashiana Malhar has further strengthened customer confidence in the project. As you going through the news in construction week online, so phase 1 is already handed over. Rest of the phases are in near completion or yet to get completed. So, my dear friends, just speak to the concerned departments in Ashiana Housing and take your own decision. I wish you to take care of all the things that I have mentioned in my checklist. If you have not gone through my checklist, I am going to leave a link here. You go there so that you will be able to see that whole checklist video. So you will be having complete idea and picture. Also, I have done a complete guide for RERA, which is RERA simplified. So if you want to purchase those soft copy as well, I am going to leave a link in the description itself, even that particular detail. Just have a look into it. You will be able to get the best out of a real estate investment in India. Alright. So my dear friends, thank you very much. I wish you all the best in your investment in real estate. If you are having any projects, we would like to definitely collaborate with you on the design, project execution, or interiors. Definitely, we would like to help you in your design execution or project execution on smaller versions as well as on a larger scale. So, do contact us. I'm going to leave all my details in the description. Definitely approach us. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Thank you very much.